Here is how I use TLC to monitor my reactions. To know the progress of your reaction, what you need to do is to prepare low concentration solutions of your starting material and reaction. You should test their solubility beforehand. Grab a TLC plate, but remember that you should avoid touching the silica layer at all times, since that could ruin your results. Just manipulate the plate by the edges and the back. With a pencil, mark 3 spots corresponding to starting material, mixture, and the actual reaction. Keep in mind that you should always leave at least 1 centimeter of separation from the bottom to where the spots will be placed. With spotters, take a sample of your starting material solution and put it on the starting material mixture spots. Then, with a different spotter, take a sample of your reaction and place it in the reaction and mixture spots to have a better control. Once you're done, you can put your spotters in acetone to wash them. Use a container to place your solvent mixture with the proper polarity with the 2 solvents ratio. I normally use between 5 and 6 milliliters of this. Now you can put your TLC plate into the solvent mixture, keeping in mind that the spots don't submerge into it. That's why it's important to have 1 centimeter of distance to avoid diluting your spots into the solvent. I like to write on the lid of the container the percentages of solvent mixture that I'm using. Once the solvent reaches at least 1 centimeter below the top of the plate, you can remove it from the solvent. I like to shake it a little to dry it faster. Then, you just put it under the UV lamp to see your results. Here we can see that the reaction wasn't completed yet, since we still have the starting material in the reaction spot at the very right side. So I let my reaction run for a couple of hours more, and after this time I repeated the process. And I was able to only see the product, so I finished my reaction. And that's it! This is how you can use TLC to monitor your reaction.